I like trains.
Hey guys, I am back here in Grove City, Pennsylvania, and we've got the northbound ore train coming, U703. However, this U703 will not be, the locomotives, I should say, on this U703 are not the CN SD70M-2s. Today, I actually lucked out, as the northbound ore train will be pulled by not one, not two, but three Bessemer units. Of course, you guys have seen 905 and 862, which are usually on the miscellaneous run, but those are not the only Bessemer units that the B&LE owns. They actually have a few others, but they rarely run. However, one of them is leading this train, actually. So 905 and 862 are trailing, and the leader of this northbound ore is 868, which, like 862, is an EMD SD38AC. So 868, 905, and 862 leading the northbound ore train. So, in case you're wondering, this is a very, very rare sight on the Bessemer in Lake Erie, especially for 2022. Who knows when this will ever happen again? It might not, but the train's about to pass here, so that's all I have for the intro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, here it is, guys. Nice P3 horn from 868, same horn that 905 has. And now we're about to hear the teardrop bell as well. There's the train, I can see its headlight. Here we go. Idiot. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that very special video of the 3 Bessemer units leading the northbound ore train. And here from Grove City, Pennsylvania, with over a foot of snow on the ground, this is the old main guy signing off. And everyone watching this video, have a fantastic rest of your day.